birds on a wire high. One says stay, the other says fly. Feathers ruffled, soft and gray. Who do I follow? Who do I obey? Two birds, two ways, two skies, 2 days. I'm torn, I'm tired. Where do I reside? The wind, it whispers low and deep, promises it'll rock me to sleep. But the sun, it calls me loud and bold. Warmth and light worth more than gold. If I stay, I'll never know. If I go, I'll lose my home. Two birds, two ways. Two birds, two ways. Two skies, 2 days. I'm torn, I'm tired. Where do I reside? Where do I reside? One branch sways, but the other bends. The song they sing, it never ends. Am I a fool to think I can be both in the clouds and under the tree? The kitchen gold, coffee steaming, stories untold. Another day, another hustle, I'm told. My dreams, they shimmer so bold. Spinning plates up high, never let them drop from the sky. Two birds, one stone, that's my game. Hit it hard, I'm still awake, making moves for goodness sake. Every risk I gotta take, a new future I will make. Pressurizing, can't deny. Gonna reach for that clear blue sky. Two birds, one stone, that's my game. Hit it hard, yell out my name. Two birds, one stone, yeah, the light the fire, fan the flame. Hit it hard, yell out my name. Two birds, one stone, yeah, the flame. Light the